Nestled along the Caribbean coastline of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, Tulum emerges as a captivating blend of ancient history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. In this video, we will explore some of the top places to visit in Tulum, offering a glimpse into the enigmatic allure of this unique destination. Our journey begins with the Tulum Archaeological Zone, perched majestically on a cliff, overlooking the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea. This ancient Mayan port city is renowned for its stunning setting and well-preserved ruins. As you walk among the remnants of ancient temples and structures, pause to imagine the bustling trading hub it once was. The Temple of the Frescoes, an impressive example adorned with intricate carvings and murals, stands as a testament to the Mayans' advanced understanding of architecture and artistry. The backdrop of the vast ocean adds a touch of timeless elegance to this historic site, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts and casual travelers alike. Next, we venture into the heart of Tulum's natural wonders, the sacred cenotes. These natural sinkholes, filled with crystal-clear fresh water, are scattered throughout the region, offering a refreshing escape. Gran Cenote, easily among the most famous, is ideal for both snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Its serene, cave-like environment, teeming with stalactites and stalagmites, invites exploration and wonder. For those seeking a more secluded experience, Cenote Calavera, often referred to as the Temple of Doom, provides an adventurous yet tranquil setting. Each cenote carries a unique charm, inviting visitors to connect with nature in a uniquely profound way. Moving from water to land, the Sian Ka'an Biosphere Reserve beckons with its extraordinary biodiversity and untouched beauty. As one of Mexico's largest protected areas, this UNESCO World Heritage Site offers an incredible array of ecosystems, from mangroves to tropical forests, each teeming with wildlife. A guided tour through Sian Ka'an unveils a world where jaguars roam and exotic birds soar, making it a paradise for nature lovers and eco-adventurers alike. The reserve's vast landscapes inspire awe and offer a sense of serenity, often elusive in our busy modern world. No visit to Tulum would be complete without experiencing its vibrant town life. Stroll down the charming streets of Tulum Pueblo, where local shops, restaurants, and art galleries await. The laid-back yet lively atmosphere of the town provides a perfect contrast to the tranquility of the beaches and ancient ruins. As our exploration of Tulum draws to a close, we are reminded of the region's unique synthesis of past and present. Through its ancient ruins, serene cenotes, diverse ecosystems, and lively local culture, Tulum captures the imagination and invites exploration. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a touch of history, Tulum offers a rich tapestry of experiences that leave an indelible mark on all who visit. As you plan your next travel adventure, let Tulum's enchanting allure guide you to a destination full of discovery and wonder.